Well, I'm struggling to get my head around this new Barnett clutch. Obviously done something not right. It's just interesting how I've collapsed the clutch completely, as you can see there. So there should be slack in the lever. So there's slack here, but there's still tension on this part from here, there, here, there. So when I squeeze the clutch, there's still tension, still activating, which may be why it's slipping in high gear. I don't know. I'm going to pull it apart again. Barely done, I don't know, 300 kilometres on the new clutch, and she's was slipping right in high gear from the get-go. So pull it apart and start again. See if I haven't damaged it completely. Here we go.